my topic is very trending, bigla kang sumakses. Alam nyo ba yon? Gusto nyo ba maging successful? We're gonna discuss how you be able to survive the biggest challenges in every trader. Sino ba trader dito? Yeah. So, yung iba hindi? Okay. Alright, good morning! Walang breakfast? Good morning! Ayan, para may energy. Alright, so again guys, I'm Mr. Wise Investor. Ang topic ko today ay, my goal really guys is to really make you understand anong stages ng journey mo sa pagtitrade. I wanna really get in touch to your journey right now, and that is my goal for this journey. And how can I move you forward to the next journey natin? Okay, are you excited on that? Okay, so sabihin nyo nga dyan sa mga katabi nyo, excited ka ba? Alright, so just to let you know, sino ba ako? Okay, so I'm the founder of Wise Investors PH. I've been trading for over 12 years. No, I've been a content creator since 2017. I've been speaking around the world, no, Singapore, Hong Kong, Thailand, no. This topic, by the way, the speaker previously is my colleague, si Sir Lloyd. Palakpakan nyo naman siya. He's a very good speaker as well. Yan. And then at the same time, I was voted for Traders Fair every year, no, nasa top 3. Ngayon nga lang, di pa ako nanalong top 1. So, pwede nyo ba ako i-vote this year? Okay. But I was voted as a top 4 the Hong Kong naman. Okay. So, kami dito ng mga speaker, kailangan pagalingan kami. Gusto nyo ba yun? Okay. And then, I've mentored over 4,000 people. I have like very, very solid community and with the help of my colleague Lloyd. No. Yan. Of course, disclaimer, pag-uusapan natin dito, hindi scam. Okay. Forex trading, stocks trading can be investing crypto. Kasi usually, ang Pilipino madaling. Yan. So, disclaimer, lahat ng investment may risk. Pag yung katabi mo, in-offeran ka, invest ka sa akin, gusto mo 30% a week. Scam yun na. Kung katin mo yung katabi mo, mukha bang scammer? Hindi naman. Okay. So, by the way guys, I want you really to know me personally. Who among you here is still working? Yeah. Lahat hindi? Estudyante? Okay. Who among you here is a full-time trader? Wala pa. Sino gusto maging full-time trader? Very nadami pala, no? Ayan. So, before I became a full-time trader, I was working in a pharmaceutical industry for over 13 years. And at the same time, I'm a choreographer. Huwag niyo sabihin sample, please. Okay? I'm an events organizer, I'm a real estate broker at the same time. So, ibig sabihin, naintindihan ko yung hustle ng bawat Pilipino. And when I entered trading, sinabay ko pa siya, di ba? Naubos na nga yung buhok ko. Kaka-stress. So, been working for 8 to 5. Pagdating ko pa sa bahay, nag-check pa ako ng chart. Nag-open pa ako ng market to trade the US market. Magbi-break ako sa trabaho ng lasot ng 4 o'clock. Titingnan ko yung London session. Di ba, nabaliw ka na? That's how grabe yung passion ko when I was starting. Sino ganun ngayon? Passionate about trading? Siguro yung iba, ayaw na, no? Ayaw na, wala nagtataas eh. Okay, very good. So, but I realized, napasok ako ng trading kasi parang Pilipino, mahilig sa gaya-gaya. Di ba? Mahilig sa uso. Uso yung trading back then, PSE. Di ba? Sabay-sabay sa uso. Di ba? Pumasok ba kayo ng trading because of that initially? Yes. Nakita nyo sa Facebook? Yes. Di ba? So, parang mga Pilipino, pag nagtatayo ng tindahan, pag may usong tindahan, ano nangyari sa next? May pila-pila ng tindahan, di ba? Alam niyo, nakikita ko sa Carriedo, I'm from Cebu by the way, ha? Sa Carriedo, nauso lang yung Neneng B, lahat may sausage na, no? Ganun yung Pilipino ka-innovative, di ba? May lahing Chinese lahat. Okay, di ba? Ganun. So, at the same time, you can really learn from milk tea business that we are really by nature a bandwagon. Kaya ang daming tao dito eh. Nababandwagon sa pinopost ng gains, pinopost na lifestyle, di ba? We want the same lifestyle, but if we're already there, doon na nagkakaproblema. Doon na tayo nagkakaproblema because when we actually, most traders, when they enter trading as well, this is the part wherein nakikita nyo, parang we wanted, sino dito yung nag-trade tapos kine-screenshot pero hindi pa niya na-TP. Pinost na bago pa tinipi. It's like traveling, di ba? We want to take pictures without having a map. Tama? Sino dito, pagpasok na trading, ang dami palang kailangan aralin. Right? And at the same time, your reality start to sink in when you enter trading. And that's most of the traders are feeling right now. Taas kamay if you're that. Lahat kayo profitable na, wala nagtataas. Sino dito yung they're after the gains but at the same time nakakaproblema na sa process. Kaya hindi nagtataas. Huwag mo na itaas yung kamay mo, baka maano tayo dyan, di ba? Lahat tayo dyan, okay? So, there's a statistics that 95%, even me when I was starting, I lost 500,000. I lost 200,000 instantly. During the time, naalala ko, nagtitrade yung stock market. Sino dito yung parang sa Haven, sa PSA? Dito Telecom. Diba? Mga bata siguro yung mga dito. Teka, tignan ko nga. Okay. I put all my life savings. Pagpasok ko ng 5,000,000, hindi ko na ma-exit kasi ang bilis bumabagsak ng presyo. And why is that happening? Even me, never naman ako na-scam pero I have a lot of friends na pupunta sa scam because they were not aware of what's happening. Are you aware of what's happening with your trading journey right now? Yes or no? Are you aware that something goes inside your brain? Kaya hindi ka nakagraduate, kaya hindi ka nagiging profitable sa trading. Are you already profitable consistently? Yes or no? Are you aware na may kailangan kang gawin para graduate from that trading? Yes or no? Yes, di ba? So that's where the crossroads comes in. How do you now graduate from that stage and move on to the next stage? And that's my topic. Ang haba ng introduction ko, no? I want you guys to understand, each one of you in this room, where are you now in your trading journey? Because I love you guys and I know that this is very important with you. I want you guys to take an exam. Get your phones, scan the QR code, and I'll go down. Pagtapos na kayo, asan yung mga pinag-exam ko na? Okay, so this assessment journey will tell you nasan ka na ngayon. This assessment journey will tell you ano yung kailangan mong gawin next. This assessment journey will tell you kung profitable ka na ba o hindi. Alright? Sige, I'll give you 1 minute to this. Saan ba yung na-interview kanina? Saan si Doc? Ayan. Sorry. Pinapaalis ako ni Kuya. Okay. Sige, take tayo lahat. Ayan. There. Okay. Who's taking now? Raise your hands. Ayan, nagtitake na si Sir. It's Ma'am. Okay, everybody take. I'll go down and ask some questions if you're done. Ayan. Mabilis lang yan. It's gonna be a 10-second exam and assessment for you to know where are you already in your trading journey. Who's done? Raise your hand. May prize ako. Overnight stay sa Shangri-La. Lobby. Okay. Yan, okay. Si Sir, sabi niya dito, is already scaling and... Sir, you're already at stage 4. You're scaling and system optimization. Tama ba ako na hindi mo ma-move yung isang capital to a bigger capital?
Yeah,
bakit?
Yung entry points.
Entry points. Nahihirapan ka pa sa entry points. Kaya hindi mo ma-move because you have to fix something in your system para mas maging confident ka ba? Tama.
And madalas stop loss.
Madalas stop loss. You have to improve your win rate. What else? What else can talk about your assessment?
Back and forth.
Hindi talaga nagle-level up. Can you now relate? How about the others? I wanna see another one. Ikaw, Sir. Yan. Your stage 5 na si Sir. Long term and consistently. Okay. Can you tell me bakit long term and consistent na?
Kailangan i-remove yung emotions.
Na-remove na daw yung emotions. Palapakan nyo naman. Na-remove na yung emotions sa trading. So, kasapin nyo sa later. Paano ma-remove yung emotions mo? Okay. So, now, you're at the stage right now wherein you need to diversify to another asset and learn from it. Tama?
Yes.
You're at that stage. What anong tinitrade mo ngayon? Bitcoin, crypto, Forex?
Forex.
And then you're learning ang crypto. Tama?
Yes.
And you're learning probably stocks.
Yes.
See? So, nakikita natin yung tamang journey. What else? Who wants to answer? Gusto ko makita newbie talaga. Last, si Ma'am. Ito siya, Ma'am. Nasaan ka? Psychology. Oh, can you stand up? Yan, mabilis lang. You're already psychology. So, bakit ka may problem sa psychology?
Medyo nako-confuse ka sa utang buhay.
Nako-confuse daw siya sa mga trades niya. Nakaka-relate ba lahat? So, ibig sabihin, uulit-ulitin mo lang yung exam na yan, makikita mo saan ka may kulang. And then, on Traders PH, soon, tutulungan namin kayo i-move on to the next stage. Gusto nyo ba yon? For free. And I want to talk about each stage na ginawa ko. This is what I call the framework of each level. Sino dito yung mga nasa stage 0? Yung mga talagang lahat alien pinag-uusapan. Tama. Okay. Number 1, stage 1. You're exploring each strategy na makita mo. Number 2, sino dito yung number 2? You are focusing on risk management kasi lagi ka masyadong maraming losses, may problema ka pa. Sino? Number 3, you are incurring a lot of losses because you are revenge trading. You are trading when you're busy. You are trading against your boss. You are trading with your emotions. True. Stage 5 is, if ang capital mo ngayon is 100,000, you want to move it to 200,000. You want to move it up to 1 million. And that's the framework that you have to graduate over and over again. And I want to explain for people who especially walang mga alam or beginners pa in this room on how can you graduate. Usually, they're stuck in stage 1 and stage 2. And that's what I want to teach and how can I help you. Alright, so stage 1 and stage 2, the main problem of this is they're expert in blowing accounts. Pag may taas yung kamay mo, okay? Ay, sunas yung kamay. Bakit? The main problem is, tama ba? Nakatingin tayo sa profits. Tama? Nakatingin tayo na pag may profit, masarap yung feeling. And usually, the trap on stage 1 and 2 is you're looking for the best indicator. You're looking for the holy grail. Baka yung katabi mo, ang galing yan. Sabi niya, siya yung hero. Tapos, benta sa'yo course niya, 50,000. Di ba? May ganon. O, di ba? Wag mong follow system na yan kasi masusunog ka dyan. Pero bilhin mo yung course ko, 50,000. Yan, dyan sila pumapasok. Because they are selling you the holy grail system and there is none. Bakit? They're trying to hook you with your curiosity. Second, ang gagawin mo, titingin ka sa YouTube ng lahat ng klaseng strategy, tatry mo sa real account mo. Nakaka-relate? Tama? What happened next? You're now confused which one to focus. And that's the problem of all the newbies. Number 3, demotivated ka na kasi dami-dami mong losses, pati life savings mo nauubos na. And that's the main problem. Wala ka ng focus, hindi mo na alam. The problem then is how you exit. Especially yung mga wala pang alam sa trading. Hindi na alam sa dami ng pwede mong resources. You don't know what to choose. You don't know what to focus eh. Tama? So, here are some criteria to know which stage na nakita nyo ngayon. That is a symptom that on your at that stage. In stage 1 and stage 2 kasi, ang main problem niyan is you're looking for the best strategy and there is none. Ang stage 2 kasi, you're coming now become realistic because you are now in a reality na you just need to be on a higher probability. So, that's where our community helps traders. We're not giving them the best indicator, but we want them to move forward from stage 1 and stage 2. Because usually, the tendency of stage 1 and stage 2 is they're looking for the signals. May signal ka ba dyan, sir? Busy ako eh. Di ba? May copy trading ka ba dyan? Copy na lang ako. And that's okay. Pero make sure, if you copy trade, you learn. Kasi yung $500 mo na ilalagay dyan, hindi ka mayayaman at magiging financially free dyan. Tama, tama. Your money machine is yourself. Tingnan mo yung katabi mo. Sabi mo, yourself. Kung hindi ka makakagraduate ng stage 2, hindi ka magkakaroon ng confidence, maglagay ka ng 1 million pesos sa copy trading na yan. Tama. Sa strategy na yan. Tama. So you have to learn how to graduate on all of those informations and assess, nasa na ba ako? Paano ba dapat ko i-move forward? I need a coach to do this for me. Not on looking for the next strategy that will give you the next dopamine hit. Because there is none again. The main problem of stage 1 and stage 2 is this. If you're listening right now, and you're still stage 1 and stage 2, especially stage 0, you need to have an edge lang talaga. 60%, 70% win rate is enough. Okay? Start small na capital and that's it. Have the proper mindset. Wag mong tingnan, especially yung mga airdrop, tama? Doon sila high na high eh. Libreng airdrop, tas magiging retired after. Doon sila high. The mindset of entering crypto, the mindset of entering forex, they thought that $100 will make them a millionaire overnight. Tama? But it's not. You just have to have a good set of probability that could really make you more realistic so that you are confident to move to the next stage and put more capital as you protect it all along. As you protect it as you go along. As you move to 500,000, as you move to 5 million, as you diversify to other assets, because you are learning on that stage that you are right now. Because usually it takes you to graduate between 6 to 12 months based on psychology. Some sources suggest you have to take the whole 3 years just to understand the whole system na pinakita ko. So that's where Sir Lloyd explained a while ago that we are removing the stage 1 and stage 2, and that's the goal of our community. That's where we introduce the shadow technique. We let the robot analyze the charts. We let you copy trade our trading system, Izanagi. We let the robot analyze it for you and give you the highest probability, but not promising you to become a millionaire. Because it was back-tested by more than 15 years of data and forward test for 5 years of real money and upscale it to even 60 million pesos. So, ibig sabihin, kung naglagay kami ng 60 million, that's how effective it is. Tama? So, that's where the shadow techniques comes in and other copy trading services that we have. And just like Josh, ito si Josh, sabi ni Josh, when I interview him, nagulat ako, ba't ka kumita ng 500,000 pesos? Sabi niya sa akin, sabi ko sa kanya, iyon ba yung confidence level mo sa trading? He answered me 0. So, if I'll go back to journey, curious, beginner, or stage 1 pa to, pero kumikita ng 500,000, because we are removing the stage 1, na hindi mo na kailangan maghanap sa YouTube ng kung anong-anong strategy because we can give it to you for free. You just have to learn it. You just have to master. Because we are helping you through the A. Because it's trades from an EA, but 100% man, you're entering the best trades of the both, no? And back up by statistics. The advantage, yung sinabi lang ni Sir Lloyd kanina, kokopyahin mo siya. Diba? Magalingan lang kumopya. Yes, because that's the initial. Mauhok ka na. Paano ba itong kopya na to? Pag kinopya ko to, kikita ako. Yes, tama. Natututo ka na, pumipindot ka na, nagiging experiential learning. And now, it triggers more your curiosity as you learn and hindi ka natatalo basta-basta. Basta sinusunod mo lang yung sinasabi namin. As you see the magic number 5 and you enter it, you are the higher probability. That's the edge that I'm talking about. So meaning, as you learn, nag-accumulate ka na ng short. For you to graduate to stage 1 and stage 2, you have this kind of system. I'm not saying this is a holy grail system, but this is a. Now, it was backtest 10 years, 2010 to 2020. We forward tested it in 3 different in how many years? 2 years before we give it to the public. So, ibig sabihin, nilagyan namin ng pera. Okay? Sabi nga ni Coach Art, Ninong Art, grabe na exposure mo dito, bro. Okay, grabe na talaga. Okay. Kung sabi ni Sir Lloyd is kumita siya ng 1 million, ito last year niya 10 million pesos. Kinita ni Coach. Sinabi ni Sir Lloyd kanina siya about that, but pinakita lang yung isang account. Pero overall account, may isang account na naglagay lang siya ng $800, naging almost 2 million pesos. Hindi lang isang account. Pinakita ni Sir Lloyd, mga community members, how about the mentors? So, this is the account that I'm trading. Okay, this is a 6 million pesos account. A drawdown of 26%, over 3 million pesos. Another account that I'm trading. Hindi ko nagpapakita lahat kasi madami. Kasi marami po akong tinitrade na account. So, stressful siya, kaya naubos po yung buko, okay? Pero, sample of the accounts that I'm trading, ito pa isa, naglagay po ako ng 5 million here. And then, in span of how many ay over 1 million pesos. Minodrop, ulit-ulit. My point is, it makes our trading simple, but has an edge and advantage. Scalable. Confident ka maglagay ng mas malaking amount. Tama? Mas maganda yung ganun di ba? And confident ka aralin yung ibang asset because you can diversify now because it's growing fast. Make sense? Yes? So I'm about to end. Tinuturo namin yan for free. Usually nag-webinar kami dyan every Thursday. Tinuturo namin paano siya gawin, paano siya nila live trade, ano yung iba naming copy trading services na pwede nyong simulan for you to graduate from stage 1 to stage 2. For you to know, hindi ka na maghahanap sa YouTube ng kung ano-ano, but to test it out, and nakita mo, ang dami na palang loss. We wanted to graduate and focus on stage 2, which is protecting your capital. Alright? So, this is my last slide. That profit at the end of the day may be our goal to get. Alright? But, here's the thing. The journey will not be easy, but it's worth as long as we understand and enjoy each journey and each stage we are right. You just have to take action and start and pinpoint the main problem for you to move forward. Kung ang problem mo ngayong kapital, hindi ko na problema yun, okay? Ang tutulong ko lang sa'yo. But, kahit wala kang kapital, you can start as demo account naman as long as you take action. Because trading has really a lot of benefits. You just have to see full potential. So, with that, I would like to say thank you. I hope I give value to each one of through that phone. You may follow me in my social media accounts or join my group as well para makita nyo yung mga live updates as well. So with that, God bless and have a great afternoon.